You alright?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 8 on our Spruce Mica Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive truck that we absolutely love so much. In the last video, you saw us start getting everything put back together. We got the whole front end put together. We got the bumper put on. We got a lot of the nuisance work done, putting the door panels together and all that. Something's been bothering me for a long time. This Carolina squat has got to go. So I got some blocks for the rear end. I think what we'll do is we'll get the truck in the shop, we'll jack it up, and we'll start putting those blocks in, maybe put our differential drop in up front, kind of get all that stuff buttoned up so we can continue on with this truck. I got a brand new set of wheels and tires for it. Going to really make this truck look absolutely amazing, but I don't want to put them on until the truck is ready. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty guys, we did finally get those blocks right up under the rear of that truck. Everything went together just like it should. We put brand new blocks in, we put brand new U-bolts in, we put brand new shocks on. This sucker's ready for these beautiful tires and wheels that we picked up. We picked up these wheels off the Facebook Marketplace. They were brand new in the box. $450 included the lug nuts. You can't beat a deal like that. I mean, that was absolutely phenomenal. So we bought these brand new Maxxis ATs to go on it, just to kind of, you know, we didn't want to go too aggressive on this truck. We wanted to be able to daily it around. Check these lug nuts out. Man, these are splined. They got the extension. Gonna look great. So while we got the rear end apart, we might as well get these wheels and tires put on, see how it all looks. So let's stop talking and let's hop to it. have been working on this truck again like a bunch of cavemen. Everything's coming together. We brought out these wheels and it's just amazing what a set of tires and what a set of wheels does on a truck. We finally got rid of the Carolina squat. It's finally gone. We're super happy that we got rid of that. We got the pinstripes on, we got the stickers on, and I don't know if y'all noticed, but we just went all out, 3rd gen TRD off-road stickers. I mean, why not? Look how much better that looks. That looks absolutely amazing. We still got a lot to do. We got the drone out and got some good shots of this thing. But what we got to do is we got to get it all cleaned up and we got to get it all put back together, shined up, buffed up in a couple of places and make it look like a brand new shiny penny. We are absolutely out of time for that today. So we'll catch up with you guys here tomorrow. Alrighty guys, it is the next day. We did leave off with these lights all installed. We got the light bar installed. We got our little Raptor lights installed. We got to get those lights wired up. So we gave this truck a nice wash. And what I think I'll do is I'll run the cables for those wires to get everything wired up and kind of see how this thing's going to look at night, because it is getting close to nighttime. I'd really like to know how it looks. So let's continue on wiring these suckers up, see how it looks. We'll catch up with you with some lights on. Alrighty guys, we have been getting a ton of work done on this truck. Everything's going 100%. We got our lastfit.com light bar all installed. We got our Raptor lights installed. We got everything looking good, looking great, looking 150% better than OEM. So we got a few more things left to do. Everything's coming together. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. But don't forget to find part 7 right now. Comment like on part 7. Be sure and find that video. We're going to give away one of these super bright light bars. You can tell in this video just absolutely how bright it is. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.